Doing a quick video this morning. We're all out here working, Rocky included. I don't know if he's working, he's shaking off and stretching or yawning. But he loves the dirt out here, so that's kind of a bad thing. So both me and Rocky track dirt inside the house, so it's a little bit to keep up with us too. But anyhow, here's my tank. I'm burying it right now. So I'm trying to get the dirt from around it down in it. And so as I was sitting here taking a break, you know, I know people that's building their own garage. So if you can be the general contractor on your own job, it don't mean you have to know a lot. The YouTube right now is, I mean, that's just unreal what you can type into YouTube and it'll poke it up, and you know, 30 different people's got 30 different ways to do it, and 20 of them are the same, so that gives you an idea of the right way to do it. You know, follow the 20, not the lone and the only. But anyhow, this is my tank, and I do have radiant water that I got going down. That's those lines right there. Two blue ones sticking out the top are my fill, and my pump coming out of the tank. I gotta hook those up still. But so anyhow, I'm just sitting here thinking about a lot of this, and so I know some people that's getting, you know, a 2424 built for, you know, $50,000, and it don't have nothing. And mine, I'm gonna be under 40 probably, but instead of 2424, I'm 30 by 36, just say. And I'm gonna have underground storage. I got underground radiant heat for cooling. We'll have a bathroom in it, all this type stuff, and that's all the stuff I'm doing over here. And so, you know, if you can run a job yourself and just know a little bit of knowledge, you can save, I mean, thousands of dollars. And if you don't want to save it, instead of saving the money, you could get, instead of, you know, 100 square foot, you can get 200 square foot. But anyhow, so this morning I'm filling in. So there's no way to compact this down there around it. So like yesterday, I filled this whole tank up with water, so the tank is full of water. And then, so this side over here kind of collapsed down when I was wetting it. But you put, you know, a little bit of dirt down in it, and then you take your water and wet it pretty good. Because water and dirt compacts really good, because it'll flow into any crack, the mud, you know, and eventually it will harden up, you know, the moisture will dissipate and all that. But that's the only way to really compact that down there, because there's my compactor. Well, you can't get that machine down in this hole. I mean, towards the end, when it's almost ground level, then I will compact it with the machine. But right now, water's kind of the only choice. It's a little bit muddy, but it's down in the hole. And I soaked it really good this morning a couple times, and then put, you know, another 12 inches of dirt on it, and I'm getting ready to squirt water on it again. So we'll catch you in a little bit. So here's the tank after I put about 6 to 12 to 14 inches of dirt down in it. So now I fill it full of water, or kind of rinse everything down to let it soak down. And I'll put some more dirt on top of that, because like I say, you got really no way to compact this thing, and you don't want voids later on, because my slab would be over this. So if I don't get it compacted pretty decent, you know, you don't want nothing settling later, and then, you know, great big crack in your concrete floor, and maybe settling 3 inches or something. So what you do prior to your pour makes a big difference. I got these 2 lines right here that I'm going to run over through that trench, and then that trench can start be filling up too. So like I say, I'm just using my backhoe, getting any extra dirt down in there. And pretty quick I gotta move my compactor here and all this stuff here so I can start getting this dirt on this side and getting it down in the hole.
Well, time's getting short and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh, in case you forgot, remember to subscribe. See you later. Bye.